What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and I'm out here with Drew and Mike that's hiding somewhere. But we are out here at a night car meet. The F-Boy Friday series continues tonight. We're at a different one at Sam's Club in the Galleria, and we got a lot of people out tonight. Oh, I see a crowd, a burnout, and yeah, let's go have some fun, boys. Let's get it. We got GTRs, look at all these people. I think they're having a rev battle. We gotta check it out. We got canes and no roof. What did you say? I don't like that. I literally can't hear anything. Oh my god. And this car's doing it too. Holy moly.
I need to talk Jenkins.
That hurts! Jesus! Oh my god! Oh my god. That is not good for anybody. Next one. Oh my god. We got people getting up on top of the carts. Alright, this is crazy. I can't hear out of my right ear.
Dude, that's fucking nuts. Oh shit, I'm not dying. Mike, yeah, you're not. Bro.
about to fight.
Get some YouTube views. Come on. Riot breaks out of car meet. Here comes the fight.
There's way more niggas in there right here.
That is clean. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. Oh no. They're breaking them up. We just walked away. Uh-oh.
Chill the fuck out.
Got everybody.
I gotta get the fuck out of here. What you gotta do, nigga? We know the niggas haunting these niggas.
This is a scary place to be.
What do we title this shit?
We got everybody.
Deafening cars makes people mad. Fights ensue.
2 more.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh wow, that is nice. I've never seen him before.
Use that like a meat.
Oh yeah, H-Town baby.
H-Town, hold it down.
Oh, they're playing. Ooh.
Yeah.
Shit. Is he gonna send it? I don't want my camera to get wet. Hey, it's Nick! It's our boy Nick right there. And he sends it. I don't want my camera to get wet.
That sounds so damn good.
I thought we were about to have another viral video on our hands. Send it!
Oh, send, brother!
Yes, sir!
Send it!
Woo! Oh, that sounds cool. That guy is insane. There's so much going on. I don't know where to go. Oh my God. Oh my God. There are boobs down there. Oh! Yeah, look at everyone in the apartments up there. Look at them on their patios and stuff. We're running, boys. Nice. I love it.
Oh, he's doing something.
Burnout alert.
Hey, do donut! Do donut!
Boom! This man is wild.
Damn, look, it's smoking on the ground. This man's insane. That sounds scary.
Like a video game.
That sounds like a monster in my nightmares. Oh, look. A one-wheel peel of the century.
That one wheel peel was a fat one wheel peel.
That was a motorcycle right there.
Out! Everybody get back! Run! This is peer pressure at its finest, folks. Don't do drugs. One more time! One more time! One more time! One more time! Oh shit! Alright, well the cops are here. Everyone's leaving. Oh yeah. And I have the keys to a Subaru BRZ. They were on the ground and I don't know whose they are, but it's this one down here. We'll stand by him. Yeah, the cops are here, but we're gonna do the right thing. I have this car's keys, and as much as I would like to think this is a message from God to take this car, I'm not gonna do it. So we'll wait here. Alright, I found the owner, returned their keys. That made me feel like a good person, and it made them very happy, we could tell. But the BRZ grind continues, don't worry. But now we're going to the exit because everyone's getting out of here. Skirting out of here. Oh yeah!
Hell yeah, bro!
That wasn't very fun. Alright guys, that was it. Now we're gonna go eat some delicious Cane's chicken. We're calling it a night. Everything is done. That was super fun though, and made me feel like a good person. So if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.